Hi there, today we're showcasing the Gribouillage Slide Transfer Board, designed to make transfers easy and safe. This sliding board helps seniors and patients move smoothly from beds to wheelchairs or cars without strain. Made with a non-slip surface, it ensures stability and prevents accidents during transfers. The board is hangable for convenient storage and can support up to 450 pounds, making it durable and reliable. Its lightweight design allows caregivers to handle it effortlessly while providing comfort for users. Whether you need to assist during daily routines or medical care, this transfer board offers excellent support. Improve mobility and safety with this essential aid that simplifies patient transfers effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.